Alright you guys, welcome back to another video where we have a whole lot of talk and a whole lot of show and tell about a lot of stuff that's just kind of, you know, me board shopping. That's right, board shopping over at the Amazon, in the Amazon forest. Yes, I took a trip, went to the duty-free store, and well, you know what? Picked up some more stuff from Amazon. What did I get? Well, you know what? These ones I'm just going to show you really quick because it's not that big of a deal. And to be honest with you, I'm picky and choosy what I show you guys that I get from Amazon, because a lot of it you can see in my Amazon influencer program link. You just go click it down below. It's in the description box. Just keep scrolling until you see it. And it shows you all of my stuff. It doesn't show you everything, like everything I've ever bought and so forth and so on. But it shows you things that pertain to my beauty world and clothes that I get from there, like the bras, the panties, even this shirt came from Amazon. All my pants that I wear come from Amazon. The majority of my clothes in my closet come from Amazon. All my loungewear, sleepwear, you name it, my bedding, curtains, towels, bathroom, everything comes from Amazon. So anyway, these are from FILMORA, and there are 6, so there's 12 total. They are magnetic metals. They're glitter and glow liquid eyeshadows. Fell in love with these. One night, first night, like the day that I got them, I sat here and I did 6 swatches right here and 6 swatches underneath them. I was like, oh my God, I fell in love with them. A couple of the colors, I just was like, oh, I'll be using those for sure, you know, when I do my makeup. They dry quick. They're little tubes. And they come with this little doe foot. It's a little flat smashed doe foot. Okay, now I'm going to show you one real quick. I'll just do this one. And the reason I want to show you, I'm going to let it dry. Dries fast. This one's like a greenish metal color. See that? And they are all color changing for the most part. Not dramatically. Some of them are. Some of them not so much. Okay, see that color right there that's going on the my little moon? That kind of reminds me of what this one's doing. Now, let it sit there, and it's going to dry in less than 30 seconds. You can go like this and rub it, and I'm telling you guys, I did the wear test. I put my finger over, and the only thing that happened was I got a tiny bit of residue from the, you know, like the little sparkle flecks that are in them. That's the only thing that I got. This color is called, it's the 101, and it's cream. Let me do another one side by side, just for the heck of it, because I want to finish this one up. I have this really cool thing. This is for you guys. I went and spent money for you guys, so I want to show you. I did blend. I was like, you know, wonder what'll happen if you try to blend and buff them out, and, you know, like you would the shadows. You got to work quick. I mean, you have like less than 10 seconds, and this thing's going to start drying. This color right here is Forest. Kind of weird. You know, you kind of wonder, you're like, wait, what? It's got some green flecks in there, like that shifting color, but it's like a brown, right? See? Like bronzy, but there's green in there. I wish this showed you exactly what I see and the way the light really is hitting it, but it doesn't. It doesn't reflect from here, there, boom, off the light to you. And now if you go like this, that's it, you guys. There is nothing coming off. I don't want to touch that one yet because it's got a little bit. There's nothing. Nothing. I will rub it and rub it and rub it. Nothing. This one's not even giving me those little glitter flecks. So I did all 12 of them. Covered my entire hand. I took one of these tissue and I went like this and was rubbing, and they didn't budge. So that tells me that they're going to last and that they stay put. However, wear test, I don't know how long, before they start getting a little bit dry. I did notice after about an hour, it was about 2 hours, I left them on my hand. I was just sitting here chilling, doing a bunch of stuff on the computer and whatnot. Was it the evening? Seemed like it was in the evening. It might have been the afternoon. But I left them on there for close to 2 hours. And the only thing I did notice was a couple of them started to get a little dry. So you might want to put on a moisturizing primer underneath. Now, again, this one is completely dry. Look. Nothing. There's nothing. There's nothing on my fingers. %, nothing. No transfer. They stay put. Like I said, there's 12 of them. And then I got this. I have no idea how to say this. Oil Lace. They're eyeshadow sticks. I needed eyeshadow sticks. I get so sick and tired sometimes of fighting with eyeshadow palettes. I really do. Drives me crazy. This comes in like a roll-up. You know, like your chefy chef with his knives. Or your artist with their paint brushes. Has this little thing. So that elastic that holds its little band just pops right back over. I'll show you in just a sec. Unroll it, and there's your shades. You see those colors? These as well. I did swatches all over my hands. These are crazy. I mean, just talk about hitting the mother lode. I just did that one. This one's like a metal color. I don't even know what color this is. Let's see. Hopefully it has it on there. I couldn't remember if it did or not. No, it doesn't. That's right. Oh, well, it just has the number 04. There's a brush on the other end to blend them. Oh, yeah. Yes. Because what I did is I put them right next to the Piora. And just go like this. And this brush is unlike anything I've ever used before. This little tip, the way it is, the way how it's angled and everything, the way, see that? The design. Something's completely, and what it's made out of, I don't know, but it is nice. I was like, you know, I'm going to take all these out and just use the tips of use the brush on the other end. Oh, by the way, that's it right there. See? And then you just kind of was blending around the, you know, just to see. And oh yeah, it's moving the color. It's moving. It said it would take it nice and gently, buff it out. Blending and blending. Then look, see how soft it is? So you went from something deep, and the more you blend with this little, the softer the color got on your eyelid. I'm telling you guys, I find stuff that is just so out there, unique, cool, and great prices. This whole little set, how many is there? 3, 6, 12. Not bad, right? And you just roll this thing back up. It's made out of almost the exact same material that my horse's blankets were made out of. Like the ones that go underneath the saddle blankets. And then you just, there you go. Pop it in your overnight bag. Pop it in your luggage wherever you're flying. You get all your colors right there. This did not really matter. So you don't even have to stay and watch. You can book it out of here if you want to. This is a serum 3-pack. It's vitamin C, a retinol, and a hyaluronic acid. Did have great reviews. That is one thing that I do. I'm very cautious about that. I do go for products that have a lot of 4 and 5-star reviews. If there are negative ones, I look to see why. You know, sometimes it's just somebody having a bad day and they just don't care. Somebody crapped in their damn Cheerios and they're just going to piss on the world today. So they go to Amazon and they write a bad review. You know, like people do it all the time. This is from the Tree of Life. And so there's 3 of them. This is the vitamin C serum. Every single one of the jars looks like this. And it's retinol and hyaluronic acid. So it came in a pack of 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. They weren't that expensive. I mean, sort of, kind of, but you know, there's 3 of them. Specifically because I wanted each of these ingredients by themselves, if that makes any sense. They're always diluted inside of something else. You're not getting 100% of the benefit of it because they have to take it and pull. It's like, well, here's 100% hyaluronic acid. And I'm just giving you, you know, a hypothetical, not hypothetical, excuse me, an analogy. Here's 100%. Here's 100% a capsule of hyaluronic acid. Okay, well, we're making this product over here. Okay, let's open it up. Can you give me just 2 little droppers over here? Because the recipe doesn't call for the entire thing. Because you're getting all kinds of other stuff as well. I wanted something that gave me 100% retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. I do get it from the Revlon. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I do get it. And it's in the 0.5, I think. But I wanted to try the Tree of Life because it's from what I heard, this stuff is really good. I didn't say anything. Look at, see? Trying to get them off. That one came off. These ones didn't even budge. Look at them. I'm all sitting here with this rubbing on it. No, you have to get a makeup wipe. Head on over, you guys. Just go hit that Amazon influencer link and just go grab you some of those eyeshadows. Everybody calm down. Namaste. No, I'm not going to stay. I'm going to get going. Take care. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, you guys. And wherever you are in this big old beautiful world, have an absolutely wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening. And thank you for spending just that little tiny bit of time with me. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. I should tell you guys this in the beginning of the video, but 90% of you won't listen. Come on. I thumbs up before I even watch the video because I know the person's channel and I know it's going to be a good video. And I was already saying goodbye. And look at it, took me a whole other minute because I just, boom, squirrel, went off on another topic. See you guys in my next video. Bye.